To help us operate as efficiently as possible, the city has hired a fleet manager who oversees more than 700 city vehicles.
The advantage of a fleet management office and having a fleet manager is that you want the vehicle fleet to be centralized so that each department isn't basically running their own fleet and doing their own thing. It helps control costs much better. It makes sure you're purchasing fuel-efficient vehicles and economical vehicles. And it also makes sure that we're buying the equipment that the operators really need to get the job done every day.
By centralizing fleet management, we're able to get a really good baseline assessment of where our vehicles are in their life cycle, and then be able to chart a course for higher levels of efficiency, fuel efficiency.
The city is very committed to implementing the climate action resolution, and we're finding that a fleet manager is one of the most effective ways for us to immediately see that bottom line impact.
The streets department has about 150 vehicles and pieces of equipment. The fire department has 70 assets. The police department has about 110 assets. And our largest department when it comes to vehicles and equipment ownership is the utilities department, which has about 250 pieces of equipment. Currently, one of our biggest areas of emphasis is preventative maintenance. Preventative maintenance includes oil changes, it includes vehicle tune-ups, and vehicle tune-ups is a real key to fuel efficiency and fuel economy. A good tuned engine that runs well is going to be more fuel efficient and ultimately save the city money. Our maintenance facility consists of a large 7-bay facility that has the capability to do heavy-duty maintenance and also light-duty automotive maintenance. And we are a very busy operation, so we're maintaining 700 vehicles and pieces of equipment with only 5 mechanics. On any given day, you could see a fire truck in the shop, an ambulance, a road grader, a Vector truck, your standard pickup trucks, law enforcement sedans, even armored vehicles used by the SWAT team. So very diverse fleet, and the maintenance changes from day to day. Fuel economy is very important to the city of Bend. Currently, we spend about $450,000 a year on fuel expenses. So as the city's fleet manager, it's my job to look for more fuel efficient vehicles. Some of the things that we can pull from our fleet management system are the total cost of ownership of an asset, also the fuel economy of an asset, and the utilization. So all of these decisions help us figure out when we should retain a vehicle or when we should surplus a vehicle and send it to the auction.
The current council is committed to energy reduction and energy conservation, and we're taking a lot of steps for that. Really looking at what we can do, our current inventory, what other communities are doing.
Just like our other infrastructure, establishing systems where we compile databases of comprehensive information on things like our fleet enable us to really do data-driven decision making, increasing our efficiency and working towards fossil fuel use reduction.